I wrote a poem today, so if you're not an English teacher, I would probably skip this video. But if you do love language, this might be a poem for you. Here we go. So you believe English is easy. I'll ask you to think once again. You might not say it's so simple when I tell you these little gems. A greenhouse isn't green, and a red onion isn't red. A prairie dog is not a dog. It's a kind of squirrel instead. French horns come from Germany. The lead in pencils isn't lead. Peanuts and coconuts aren't kind of nuts. Dry cleaning isn't dry, it's wet. A guinea pig's not from New Guinea, and nor is it even a pig. Don't park on the parkway, it's a road. And why is there a lizard called a horned toad? Your funny bone is not a bone. A jellyfish is not a fish. If only English were logical. But that's an impossible wish.